Hi there, welcome to today's video. Just a quick one today. A friend of mine, Neil Thomas, artist here at Crowgy in Redruth, has got this painting here, and he had a little accident with it and 2 holes have gone in it with a piece of wood that fell on top of it. And I'd said I'd try and fix it for him and repair it so he can repaint the damaged area and it'll be as good as new, almost. So I'm going to show you how to do that, how to repair a painting that's got a tear in it. In this case, it's got 2 tears in it. So that's what we're going to do today. So yeah, better crack on with it. So I'm using this cotton duck canvas to repair the back of the painting. It's got the tears in it. And I've cut these two patches, which I'm going to use to paste on the back with this PVA glue which I've got. So that's what we're going to use to paste the cotton duck canvas onto the back and then repair it that way, and then you can paint into the damaged areas which are here. And where's the other one? There. So we're going to have a go at doing that now. Right, I'm using this flat brush, which used to be for painting, but I don't use it anymore. So I'm going to use this flat brush. I've wet it, so it's a wet brush. So the bristles have been run under the tap. You might be able to see a bit of water come out there. So I've dampened that. So I just find that takes to the glue better then. So I've got some glue on there now, and we're just going to paste that to the cotton duck canvas. We'll do one first and see how it goes. So I'll get some glue on there. It's been a while since I've had to do anything like this. Sorry Neil, but I'm a bit more careful with my canvases. So that's got plenty of glue, just a drop more along the sides. Let's try that, see how that works. Put a bit of glue on here, I think, actually, to sort of prime that area. Just a light covering. And then we'll paste this piece into here, like that. And we're just going to gently press that in. And then what we'll do, we'll just glue around the edges so it stays in place. Like that. So we don't want any of these edges fraying up and coming off when he's repainted the other side, you see, so we don't want that sort of peeling off or any risk of that peeling off. And then we'll have a look around the other side, see what that looks like. And we've just turned this canvas around, and this is the area which was damaged. So I'm just going to smooth that out a little bit. Some paint, loose paint there. He's going to have to put some new paint on there. And that should pull tight when it dries. So that's with the patch on the back. You can see when this made this hole, you've got these areas of paint which have cracked off, so he's going to have to repaint this area here as well, and down this line. And when the patch dries, this dent won't be quite so obvious, and then he's just going to have to repaint all down here, see where it's cracked off. But I think that's the best we can do on that one. And then there's the other one which we've got to do now. That's even worse, look, because there's a piece here that's come off as well. So yeah, we'll do that now. Here's the second patch, so I'm just going to sort of make sure this area here is all fixed to the patch underneath, and then we're pushing from behind as well, just to make sure it's caught those areas there. Okay, so that's that. I've repaired that as best I can, and it's up to Neil now to paint in the bits where the joins are, where the paint's sort of peeled off, cracked off a bit. But the answer is try not to damage the canvas in the first place. Cheers, thanks for watching. Bye for now.